Sadly, you cannot delete a Facebook pixel from your ads manager, but you can delete who it's shared with, so you can delete it from other ads managers, or you can take your pixel and assign it with a brand new website. So like this pixel here is connected with my website. If I wanted to move it to a different one, or I was changing websites, I can move that pixel over without having to create a new one. So sorry that you can't delete one. That's super frustrating. However, I'm going to show you. So right here you have your people and you have your partners. So let's say for this pixel, under people and partners, if there's anyone here, you can select them and you can delete their name. Maybe you've shared it with a partner or another ads manager. And what you can do is you can delete any of those. So then only your Facebook Ads Manager has access to the pixel. So if I'm creating a new website for myself or a client and I have all these existing pixels I'm not using right now, I can actually take this one and apply it to that new website. So I'll show you with the Shopify store. I'm just going to select the pixel and you can just select the pixel ID, and I'll use the example of Shopify. What you can do is go to online store, preferences, and then go down to the pixel, and whatever was there, I can just delete it, which means it will no longer be connected with that pixel. And then I could create the new website, go to that Shopify store, and paste in that pixel code. This is just an example. I know it's the same there, but you could paste it with the new website and then it would suddenly transition to collecting data from that new website. And if you originally installed your pixel code by having code in the header or using like Google Tag Manager or something like that, it's pretty easy to switch over. You just go to where you installed it, that header code, and you can simply delete it from the old website, copy it first, then delete it, and then go to the new website, install it in the same way, and then just paste that same code. So now it'll be off of the old website and onto the new website.